welcome back to another video. And in this video I have my first subscription to Ipsy, and I seen Dooney Addict 615 do some unboxings, and I was like, okay, so I joined underneath her, and wow, look at this. Oh my goodness, cute. I did order a few extra things, so let's get right into it. Oh, we have the scrunchies, and I love these because these are satin, and these they don't tear, break your hair off. Yay, love those. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, I love this. Epic news, we've got something epic in the works, and we can't wait to tell you about it. Follow us on Instagram. So, the moment you've been waiting for. Okay. Oh, look at this. Self-love is the best love. Oh, this is too cute. Let's see what we have. Lafco New York Body Lotion, Champagne, Ginger, Grapefruit, and Raspberry. Oh, cute. Oh, look. Liquid lipstick. Appeal. Color Muse. M-U-S-E. Oh, let's see. Oh, do I have to tear something off? Yeah. And your girl got on lotion, so this is Skin Loving Foundation. Oh, cute. Red orange extract. Okay. Oh, all of these are sealed. Clinique, all about clean liquid facial mouth soap. Nice. And this is Camilla Cosmetics. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Nice. And that's all that was in this little pouch. Cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, this little bag is so adorable. Refreshments, cleansing face wipes, 30 count. Oh, cool. It doesn't name a fragrance. Our sparkly clean promise. Okay. Argan oil, aloe vera juice, and sunflower seed oil. Okay. Oh, some stickers. Beautify your basics. Oh, those are cute. Refreshments, skin, hair, and body care made better for all. Okay. And then this is hand cream, citrus spritz. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look how it matches the bag. Oh, too cute. Okay, what else? This one is foundation full coverage. Cafe Brun 82W Dark, Natasha Denona. Okay, this look a little, I don't know, we'll see. Let me see. Ooh, that's a little too red orange or something. All right, let me take this off. It's a little too orange, red or something. Okay, and then this. I think this is what I ordered extra. Brightening skincare set. Nice. It comes with a vitamin C serum, Banana Bright Eye Cream, Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream, and Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this. So that's what's in my Ipsy box. Too cute, right? Oh man, I wonder if I can exchange the foundation. Looks like your girl got the wrong size. Or the wrong color, I mean. It's like too orange or something. Yeah. So that's what your girl got. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Peace out. Deuces. Okay, so here we go. We got the brightening skincare set. I'm really excited to try that. The scrunchies, which I love. This is the hand cream and the cleansing facial wipes, refreshments, skin care, body care, and Kinsey, the Buttercup Babe perfume. I forgot to show you guys that. And then here's the foundation by Natasha Denona, full coverage. It's just a little too orange or red for me. And then here's the Kit Champagne Lotion Lip Gloss, Vitamin Foundation, Vitamin Babe Foundation. And then here's Clinique, which I already used. And then this is some eyeshadow. It's really pretty. So yeah, and then it came with some stickers in this little bag or envelope, which is going to be cool. I can mail out friend mail with that. Cool.